Welcome back to AutoTime Reviews. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a vehicle that takes luxury travel to an entirely new dimension. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement of elegance, exclusivity, and futuristic design rolled into one massive masterpiece. From the very first glance, the front design demands attention. The panoramic black glass stretches across the entire front, giving it a futuristic spaceship-like appearance, while the golden LED headlights create a dramatic presence both day and night. Rolls-Royce's signature attention to detail is everywhere, from the sleek aerodynamic curves of the body to the 6 bold wheels fitted with golden rims that make this motorhome look as if it's gliding effortlessly on the road. The two-tone color scheme, with its dominant white accented by subtle black highlights, adds that perfect balance between sophistication and modern flair. Step inside, and the true Rolls-Royce DNA shines. The living lounge is like walking into a high-end penthouse on wheels. Diamond-stitched leather sofas, crystal detailing, and ambient golden LED lighting set the tone for a space designed for both comfort and grandeur. A massive old entertainment wall and smart glass panoramic windows allow you to enjoy a cinematic experience or the beauty of your surroundings at the push of a button. It's more than a lounge, it's an experience of first-class living while on the move. The kitchen and dining space carry the same philosophy of luxury and function, with marble countertops lined with golden accents, hidden appliances, and sleek modern finishes. The kitchen doesn't just provide utility, it enhances the lifestyle. The dining area feels like a luxury suite in a 5-star hotel, complete with a glass dining table and leather chairs, perfect for both casual meals and formal gatherings on the road. The bedroom suite is a true highlight. Imagine a king-size floating bed surrounded by ambient lighting. Rolls-Royce's signature craftsmanship in every stitch of the leather headboard, and a panoramic smart glass wall that can transform from transparent to private in an instant, with a built-in OLED TV and exquisite detailing. This space redefines the idea of restful luxury. There's also a dedicated entertainment room designed for those who never compromise on leisure. Reclining leather seats, a curved old cinema screen, and immersive surround sound make it feel like your private theater wherever you go. It's not just about travel, it's about traveling with unmatched style and entertainment on demand. On the performance side, Rolls-Royce ensures that this motorhome isn't just about beauty. Advanced suspension systems, intelligent driving assistance, and cutting-edge technology guarantee a smooth, stable, and effortless ride despite its massive size. The combination of innovation and traditional craftsmanship makes this motor unlike anything else on the market, of course. Luxury like this comes at a price. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is expected to sit in the ultra-premium segment. With figures reaching well into the multi-million-dollar range, it's designed for a select few who want nothing but the absolute best in travel luxury. That wraps up our look at the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a futuristic vision of how luxury, comfort, and innovation come together on wheels. Stay tuned right here on AutoTime Reviews for more exciting car reviews and insights into the latest automotive marvels.